All right, let's talk about one of the most exciting creative fields you can jump into right now: web development. It's this amazing world where you can build practically anything. But let's be real, it can also feel like a maze, right? With all the new tech popping up, it's so easy to get lost. So, what if you had a personal guide to show you the way? Does this look familiar? You're ready to go, you've got all these incredible ideas buzzing around in your head, but you're kind of just stuck at the starting line, trying to figure out which path to even take first. You know you want to build something awesome, but you just need a little nudge in the right direction. We should really think about this differently. Learning to code isn't just about checking boxes or finishing a course. It's a quest, a mission to take the ideas in your head and make them real on the screen. And, well, every good quest has its challenges.
And that's the honest truth, isn't it? You're suddenly facing this whole alphabet soup of languages and frameworks. You've got your HTML, your CSS, your JavaScript, and then boom, here comes React, Next.js, Angular. It can feel like a lot. But you're definitely not the first person to feel that way. And the good news is you don't have to figure it all out alone.
So, if this is a quest, you need a guide, someone to help light the path. And that's where our guide for today comes in. Let's meet a developer who's doing more than just posting tutorials. He's actually offering to be your personal mentor.
And there he is. I mean, how simple and friendly is that? Hello, everyone. Right away, you know he's not some distant, unapproachable guru. He's just a guy who's genuinely reaching out, ready to connect and help. So, who is this guy? Well, he has got this perfect mix of skills. He's obviously a passionate developer, but he's also a startup founder, so he gets the bigger picture. He has a real creative eye for design, and, this part is so important, he loves clean, functional code. That's the foundation of everything great you'll ever build. Okay, so we know who he is. Now for the important part. What's in it for you? What tools does he have in his kit that can help you on your quest? Take a look at this. The amount of practical stuff he covers is just fantastic. It doesn't matter if you're just starting out with the basics like HTML and CSS, or if you're trying to tackle the big ones like React and Angular. He's got coding tutorials and actual project walkthroughs, and it's not just abstract theory. He's giving you UI/UX tips and real-world practices you can actually use.
But honestly, here's where things get really, really special. Because beyond all the great content, he makes an offer that you just don't see very often. It's something that's just so valuable for anyone learning to code.
Read that again. He is literally inviting you, personally, to ask for help when you get stuck on your own project. Think about that. You're struggling with a React component, or you're totally lost on a Next.js feature, you can just ask. He's not just a content creator, he's opening a direct line for personal guidance. That is a game changer.
And he makes it so simple. There's no paywall, no complicated sign-up sheet, nothing like that. It's just 3 steps. You watch his stuff, you learn. When you have a question about your project, you ask in the comments, and then you get guided. It's basically mentorship for everyone. So all of this, it all builds up to one final, really cool idea. This isn't just about him teaching you. It's about building something bigger. It's about building a community. And there it is, right in his call to action. He's not just saying, subscribe to my channel. He's saying, let's grow together. That's an invitation to be part of a team, a group where everybody is learning and helping each other get better. So, with a guide like this ready and waiting to help you out, what are you waiting for? Really, the only question left is the one for you. What amazing, beautiful web experience are you going to create first? What's that idea you're finally going to bring to life? Your quest is waiting.